The 2013 Big Bear Choppers GTX. The Big Bear Choppers GTX is one of the best-looking motorcycles of its type. Its low-slung stature, the unique paint job and the raised handlebars give it a cool and aggressive overall appearance. Despite its fancy design, the motorcycle offers a pretty relaxed riding position and is fitted with a comfortable seat and an ergonomically designed handlebar. The motorcycle is available in two versions. The first is equipped with a 115.8 bhp engine while the second one is powered by a slightly weaker 97 horsepower unit. Both engines are paired with a 6-speed, overdrive transmission. The bike's frame is designed in-house in company's San Bernardino facility. Every frame component, e.g. neck, side plates, tank mounts, tranny plate, axle adjusters, etc. are CNC manufactured. Among the features offered by the Big Bear Choppers GTX, you'll find an additional auxiliary fuel tank located under the seat, totaling over 5 gallons, and a large capacity oil tank. Hit the jump for more information on the Big Bear Choppers GTX. Overview: the GTX Grand Touring X Wedge is a stretched pro-street mutant of a bagger-type motorcycle that we consider a weekend getaway vehicle and revolutionizes the bagger segment. Behold, the new benchmark. The GTX is a unique fusion of power, design and luxury that pushes the boundaries of riding pleasure for both of you. The proprietary and patented design engineering in this vehicle is the position of the passenger sitting in front of the rear wheel. This revised seating position places the payload in the center of the chassis to produce better handling and comfort for both the operator and passenger. Other key features include an additional auxiliary fuel tank located under the seat, totaling over 5 gallons, and a large capacity oil tank feeding the standard FE engine for optimum cooling and efficiency. The large volume composite storage bags are purposefully designed with the motorcycle, making the bags a central aspect of the overall vehicle design, as opposed to a mere afterthought like most motorcycles in this segment. Its innovative downtube shroud not only completes the motorcycle's front body lines, but it also acts to hide the clutch cable for a clean look. Choose the optional X-Wedge engine to make your GTX even more exclusive and unique. Cool is cool. And cool will never die. Design features: innovative and patented two-up seating configuration inside the frame for centralized weight distribution, dropped neck height for a low pro-street style stance that enables low-speed confidence and handling, innovative 3D composite downtube shroud for a unique body architecture, artful fuel tank design with an auxiliary fuel tank under the seat, large capacity oil tank holds 5 quarts of oil for engine optimization, high volume and aesthetically pleasing storage bags, comfortable and flowing handlebars with a digital gauge component features. V111 trademark FE low vibration polished engine at 122.8 pounds of torque, 6-speed right side drive transmission, BBC enclosed primary forged billet wheel choice with a wide 21 inches front and 300 mm rear tire, front dual 4-piston caliper brake system and 4-piston rear, chrome front end with hidden axle design, chrome foot and hand controls, chrome digital dash, factory options. 117 X-Wedge engine, BDL open belt drive, wheel design choice, chrome wheels and brake calipers, standard or custom paint scheme, specifications. Options 1, BBC S&S V111 trademark, carb evolution overview, reliability, power and comfort, the best of all worlds. And when we say reliability, we not only mean the life of the engine, but the life of motorcycle and everything that's bolted to it. Branded as V111 trademark, this internally reformed 111 cubic inch engine boasts a healthy 122.8 pounds of torque at the crank, with a configuration of a 4 1/8 bore and 4 1/8 stroke, proprietary compression ratios, redesigned cam timing, and reciprocating weights all result in an incredibly smooth running engine while meeting all the strict legal requirements. While looking like any other S&S Super Sidewinder engine from the outside, the essence of this new engine is the low vibration. High engine vibration is an enemy to both the rider and the motorcycle. The effects of high engine vibration may cause premature rider fatigue as well. Eliminate engine vibration and you will eliminate potential problems. Options 2, BBC S&S 117 Smooth FE X-Wedge. Starting with a clean sheet of paper, the S&S product development team went to work building an engine that will conform to 2010 EPA standards and still deliver the power you expect from a V-twin. The BBC exclusive and proprietary 117C is delivering just shy of 100 horsepower and 113 feet per pound of torque at the crank. This brand new engine features 3 belt-driven cams for quieter operation, a 56-degree V angle for smoother running and no notched pistons, a crossflow head that is fit with direct injectors, side-by-side rods and a solid, one-piece crank. The new X-Wedge is technically advanced and the key to keeping you riding air-cooled, pushrod V-twins as the emissions laws tighten up, forcing water cooling on some other engines, branded as 117 X-Wedge Smooth, and while looking like any other S&S X-Wedge engine from the outside, the essence of this new proprietary exclusive engine is the low vibration, due to it being internally reformed. High engine vibration is an enemy to both the rider and the motorcycle. The effects of high engine vibration may cause premature rider fatigue as well. Eliminate engine vibration and you will eliminate potential problems on the motorcycle. Transmission. This is the original 6-speed design that revolutionized the American 5-twin industry. Yet, it's still the best overdrive 6-speed built to this day, hands down. This Detroit-built tranny is designed and manufactured to comfortably handle the power from our engines while looking good behind it. Drivetrain. Keeping with the mindset of making form and function coexisting, this newly designed proprietary primary is built tough and reliable along with a very sleek, new generation styled aesthetics with a cool BBC-branded inspection cover. This primary drive is approximately 200% stronger than most other manufacturers' primaries with its machined-forged aluminum inner and outer cases. The dense aluminum material makes for a unit that does not flex under heavy torque, and absorbs most engine vibration. Another great attribute that sets this primary drive ahead of the curve is the triple seal design on the main shaft, as opposed to an industry-standard single seal, ensuring virtually no leaks. The starter motor shaft accessory plate is removable for an easy starter change-out. The internals utilize an easy-to-replace standard type clutch basket and a compensating sprocket for a smooth power transfer. Electrical. We teamed up with Wire Plus, the industry's leader in motorcycle electronics, to design a wiring harness with no compromises. Combine this harness with the high-end brand name electrical components like the spike charging system and the crane ignition, and we're sure your seat time will be long. You won't be on the side of the road kicking rocks. Frame. One of the proprietary and patented characteristics of this bike is the position of the passenger sitting in front of the rear wheel. This seating position places more weight in the center of the vehicle to produce better handling and comfort for both the operator and passenger. Other key features include an additional auxiliary fuel tank located under the seat, totaling 5 gallons. A large capacity oil tank feeds the optional new efficient and powerful FE X-Wedge engine from S&S. The large volume fiberglass storage bags are purposefully designed with the motorcycle, making the bags a central aspect of the overall vehicle design. Its innovative downtube dimensionally molded cover not only completes the motorcycle's front lines, but it also acts to hide the less desirable clutch cable. The frame is the foundation of the motorcycle's aesthetics and reliability. All our frames are designed and manufactured in-house in our San Bernardino facility. Every frame component, e.g. neck, side plates, tank mounts, tranny plate, axle adjusters, etc., are CNC manufactured with precision. Utilizing a 0.250 wall, 1.5 tube steel for the backbone and downtube and a 0.160 wall, 1.125 tube for the rest of the frame, BBC uses the best steel possible for our frames. All frames are 100% TIG welded for a clean, strong and precise fusion. We think we make a statement about our confidence with a lifetime warranty on the frames we make. Sheet metal. The GTX's wow factor comes from the seamless, flowing bodywork from end to end, stepping outside the traditional realms of motorcycle design and into the next generation of motorcycle design. Like our frames, our tanks and fenders are designed and manufactured in-house. We produce the sheet metal with the frame as a unit, then gets mock-up before we hand it over to our painters or ship it out to the unassembled kit customers. We use heavy-duty 12-gauge steel for our fenders and 14-gauge steel for the tanks. All tanks are pressure tested and the fenders are computer cut. We guarantee and warranty any leaks from the tanks and cracks in the fenders for your lifetime. Suspension. Designed and manufactured in-house, our fully chrome front end is exclusively made for our motorcycles to be aesthetically cool and functionally bomb-proof. The BBC logo branded 6 degrees triple trees have what we call a smooth mount design. You don't see the tube and axle nuts on top. And what we mean with the hidden axle, it's a nutless type axle, making the finish smooth. With all our calculations with the frame and front end, we've landed the front wheel in the sweet spot of the final trail measurement. This allows for a motorcycle with no front end flop and high-speed wobble. And at the back, there's no better American-made shock to use than the industry's premier shock absorber, progressive suspension. The chrome pair of oil-dampened shocks produce a good ride, which is just one more reason why our motorcycles out-handle and beat the comfort of the other guys' bikes. Wheels and brakes. Accessories. This is where a lot of manufacturers cut corners to cut costs. Well, we don't. In fact, we march through every corner of the motorcycle's manufacturing, assembly and component selection without a doubt that we are providing to you the best possible bike for your money.
If you liked this video, please share your thoughts in the comments below and don't forget to hit the subscribe button.